Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Check the physical connection and cable for damage and proper seating. Inspect the SSD connector and the host port visually and by touch. Try a known good USB cable and a USB 3.0 port for 5 Gbps transfer. Swap ports between front and back of the computer to rule out weak ports. Power the SSD with external power if it needs more than USB current. Use a powered USB hub when laptop ports cannot supply sufficient amperage. Reboot the host system after swapping cables and power sources. Open Disk Management or Disk Utility to initialize or assign a drive letter. Look for offline, unallocated, or RAW partitions and use safe formatting tools. Update or reinstall the host USB and storage drivers from Device Manager to restore recognition. Check the operating system for pending updates that affect storage stacks. Disable power saving settings that allow USB selective suspend to turn off devices. Temporarily disable third-party encryption or security software that might block the SSD. After changes, safely eject and reconnect the drive to confirm detection. Test the SSD enclosure with a different computer or SATA adapter to isolate enclosure issues. If the drive appears only when removed from its enclosure, replace the enclosure or adapter. Use manufacturer diagnostics and firmware updates to repair or recover the SSD when supported. Create a byte-level image before attempting destructive recovery steps to preserve data. Consider data recovery tools or professional services if the drive shows physical faults or inaccessible sectors. Replace cables, enclosures, or the SSD if diagnostics report hardware failure. Confirm final operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.